So hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of Canva challenge. So today in this video we will see how to create this animation using Canva. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside the Canva. So first of all we will click over here video and we will select video landscape. Once we are over here, we will want to put our assets. So I have already uploaded the assets. We will click over here and I will bring those assets. Perfect. So just check the sizes, are they okay or not, and make it perfect. Yeah, those seems perfect to me now. Bring this one at the bottom. This one will be in the center. And this one will be at the top. Perfect. Select all those and group them together. Keep it aside now. Same we will do for the logos. First we bought the Coca-Cola logo. Decrease size a little bit more. Bring it over here. Then we bring the Sprite logo. Somewhat this much. Bring it to the center. Then we bring the Fanta logo. Somewhat this much. And bring it over here. Selecting those all. Group them together. Bring it over here. Bring this one over here. And select this one, the Sprite one, and turn its transparency to 0. Now we want to give the split effect to the screen, like split color effect. So for that we will press R on our keyboard. Select this one, bring it over here and cover half of our screen like this one. Then select option and duplicate this one like that. Perfect. Now select this one and make this one black. Select this one and make this one this color. Perfect. This seems good to me. Now what we will do, we'll go to position over here, go to layers, and then bring this one at the top and bring this one at the top. So it will be something like that now. Align it perfectly. We center something like this. And here we need a text. For that what will we do? We will press T on our keyboard. And we will get this one. Bring it over here and name it Coke. Now by holding option duplicate it and name it since 1985. Perfect. Align those together. Select both and increase its size to somewhat this much. It totally depends upon you how much you want to increase its size or not. So no issue with it. Now select this one. Make it bold. Perfect. Now we need a Coca-Cola logo over here. So just bring it over here. Take it to this much. Decrease its size. Something like that. Perfect. Now we need to give a splash effect to this one. So for that, let's bring this one first. Then we duplicate it by pressing Command plus D, and we will flip it over here. Something like this. Go to positions. Select this one, the right side one, and bring it below here. Something like this. Below this one also. So you will get this effect. Now what we will do, we will just duplicate this one and we will do the same for all the other parts. Like we will have Sprite now. So we will change this one again and we will just align it perfectly. Selecting this one by holding shift, we will bring the Sprite over here and selecting the Coca-Cola, we will just turn its opacity to 0. So it's over here. Now select this one and bring the transparency of Coca-Cola to 100%. need to select those, decrease its size somewhat like this, bring it in the center and turn its opacity to 0. Perfect. Now select this one, cook, and go over here, transparency to 0. By holding shift, bring the sprite over here and select this one now, and also turn its opacity to 0. Perfect. Align it the way you want. Now we want to give the splash for the sprite. You can just search for it, splash, water, bring all those, some more, duplicate this one, flip it horizontally, and one we will just, the right one we will just take it below this. So we got this sprite over here. So now what we will do, we need to do something. We select this, go to position, go to layer, select this, then by holding command select this and copy it. Perfect. Now go over here and paste it, and then just decrease its size somewhat like that, bring it to the center, and over here turn its opacity to 0. Perfect. Something like this. Positions, bring this one over here. Perfect. And now we will select this one and change this color to somewhat greenish for the sprite, a little bit more darker. Yeah, that seems great to me. Now we will do it same for the Fanta. Go over here. First let's change the color to somewhat orange. Perfect. Let's select this one, and by holding shift just bring the Fanta logo over here and make the opacity of sprite to 0. Change this to Fanta. Align it perfectly. By going to position, by holding command select those, make it a bit smaller and turn its opacity to 0. Perfect. Now we need to bring, first make this one transparent, and then by holding shift we need to bring the Fanta. Now increases opacity. We got the Fanta. Now what we're gonna do, just need to add the splash. Search for orange splash. We got something like this. We will duplicate this one, flip it, by going to position, the right one we will just bring it below. Yeah. Select this, somewhat this much. Just make it perfect the way you want. And I want this part is looking blank, so I will add another splash, orange water, suppose. We look for splash. bring it over here, go to positions, bring it below this one, and I will just decrease this size. Now it seems much better. Now you select this, this and this, and I will just copy it, go over here and paste it, decrease its size, bring it to the center, and by going over here I'm going to turn down its opacity. Simple. Now I will select this, one, make it 2 seconds and apply to all pages. Now I will select this one, match and move, and I will apply between all pages. Now if I just preview it, you will get something like this. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do support me. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.